Hi, I'm Dr. P, founder and head tutor of Crimson Coaching, expert academic assistance for students age 12 and up. Many students that I work with in my private tutoring practice struggle to get organized. As a classroom teacher, I remember those few students every year whose backpacks looked like war zones and who would lose points because they were unable to find their assignments in the rubble. Or other students who complained, I did my homework, but it's on my printer. If this sounds like you, I recommend 3 basic tips to get and stay organized. First, use a single subject spiral notebook and matching color polyframe folder for each subject. Each subject should have its own color, like green and notebook and folder for history, blue notebook and folder for math, whatever you like. That way, you can quickly and easily retrieve exactly what you need for whatever class you're in from that backpack of yours. Second, designate one and only one place where your notebook, or rather where your backpack, will live at home. That way you don't waste time looking for it in the 30 seconds before the school bus arrives in the morning. And last, before your butt hits the sheets every night, load up each folder with the correct homework assignment and then place those folders inside your backpack. And in case your backpack has mysteriously migrated away from its little designated home, put it back there so you know where it is tomorrow morning. Well, that's all we have time for today. If you'd like to argue with me about why a single loose leaf is more effective than actually all separate folders and notebooks, feel free to drop me a line at info@crimsoncoaching.com or visit my website to sign up for my newsletter at www.crimsoncoaching.com. I'll be sending out a promo code in the coming months for a deep discount on my forthcoming book, Soar Through High School and Beyond, the essential guide to managing time, organizing stuff, studying wisely, staying healthy, and having fun. Until then, happy organizing.